Have you ever had a moment of realization in your life where you saw someone do something and wished, man, why didn't I started doing this earlier? Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will be discussing habits that I wished I started in my 20s. So the first habit that I would like to talk about that I wish I started early in my 20s is reading more books. And this is something that I have been doing for some time now, but yeah, I was never really mindful about the kind of books that I'm reading and how I'm reading those books. So this is something now I've started taking more of a structured approach, that I always keep track of the books that I'm reading and I make notes and highlight the main ideas and the thing that I like about a certain book. And I wish that I had started this doing earlier, other because this would have helped me have, or you can say, a big bank of ideas from all the books that I had read. Because now when I come to think about it, like most of the books that I had read early in my 20s, sometimes I can't even remember those books. And yeah, sometimes I just don't even remember what the central idea of the book was. So yeah, like those books that I've read have, you can say, somewhat gone in vain, and this is something that I regret. The other thing that I wish I had focused more on earlier in my career or early in my 20s was building my network. And this is something that I always took for granted until last couple of years, where I realized the power of my network, and when I got a couple of jobs through referrals from my network. And yeah, so early on, like I never actually paid too much attention to the kind of people that I was hanging out with. And like from my first job, I had a lot of people that I was interacting with, and once I had left that job, I stopped interacting with those people because I felt that I no longer had that connection with them. And I was really wrong about that, because once you've met someone and you've developed some sort of interaction with them, it's always a positive thing to maintain that relationship or communication. And you don't need to do much, just like maybe send them a message once a year during the holidays or twice, and that should be more than enough just for them to remember that person. And I never used to do this early on in my career and even when I was younger. So this is something that I regret, because I met a lot of, you can say, amazing people during that time, but now I just don't have a way to get in touch with them anymore. So yeah, I wish I did this more. The other thing I wish that I started doing early on was journaling. And journaling is something that I had always wanted to do, but I never actually made the time for it, or I was just procrastinating because what will I journal about? But coming from the idea of Matthew Dix of Homework for Life, which he mentions in his book Storyworthy. So yeah, so the concept is that you give a highlight of each of your day and you just journal that. So what it leads to is that after a while you will have a lot of stories to tell from your own personal experiences. Plus it will help you get an idea of how your life has changed over time. And journaling also helps you preserve your ideas. So let's say you have an idea today and then you just journal that. Maybe after a couple of years you look back, you can see that idea, and maybe during that time you have the time and capacity to work on that idea. So in that sense, like journaling recently has really helped me a lot, and I wish I started doing this earlier on. So yeah, journaling is something that I wished I started doing in my early 20s or even before that. One other thing that I'm really guilty of is not maintaining a healthy work-life balance, and I've started changing that now. But early on in my career, this was something that I was not actually focusing on, because that time my career has just started and I thought that I just had to work too much to prove myself to my seniors and my managers. And yeah, I knew that this was the only way to progress in life, which I was completely wrong about. So yeah, one thing that I wish I could tell my younger self is that to always maintain a healthy work-life balance, because no matter how hard or how much you work, you're always going to realize that too much is never enough and the work never ends. So yeah, but then again, the time of your life that you are spending working and not focusing on your family or your friends or your health, this time is not going to come back, and you're going to have a massive regret once the time has passed. So yeah, always maintain a healthy life balance. That's what I keep telling myself now, and I wish somebody had told me that earlier. So traveling is something that I still try my best to do as much as I can, but I wish this is something that I had done even more when I was younger, because once you start getting older and you have more commitments, it's very hard to find time, and traveling becomes more expensive when you have people traveling with you as compared to when you're traveling solo. And I feel that when you're younger, you have the capacity to be flexible with your time, and you can be flexible when the countries that you're visiting and the way you are traveling. So this is something that I wish I had done more, and like when I was younger. So yeah, finally, the biggest thing that I wish somebody had told me when I was younger is that spend more valuable time with your family, because this is something that a lot of people at my age have started to realize, that it's now nearly impossible to have all of your family members in one place at the same time unless it's a big event or an occasion. And yeah, when you're younger, you take these things for granted because all of your siblings and your family, you're living in the same home. So yeah, and you keep seeing them 24/7. But as soon as you start getting older, people start traveling either for education or for their jobs. And until like a couple of years, you don't realize that it's now going to be impossible for all of your family to be in the same home at the same time. So yeah, so this is something that I wish I had done more, and I wish that I had spent more time with my family when I was younger, and not only just time, just like valuable time. So yeah, this is something that I wish somebody had told me, and that's the advice that I give to young people, that while you're still at home, spend as much valuable family time as much as you can. So guys, that was my advice that I wish I would give to my younger selves. If you like that video, you can check out my top 3 strategies for LinkedIn right here. And if you're enjoying these kind of videos, please don't forget to comment below and let me know that what are the kind of videos that you would like to see on the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.